And this is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 and give it a new look. I'll show you step by step how to customize your Windows 11 Explorer, Start menu, taskbar, and desktop as well. So let's dive into the video. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to give your Windows 11 a new look today. To do that, you have to download and install this tool called Windhawk. Just go to this website and click on download, and it will download the Windhawk. After downloaded, you have to install it. Click on open file, click on OK, next, and install it. So it will take some time to complete the installation process. I'll be right back after completing the installation process. Installation has been complete. Click on finish, and after that you will see an interface like this. First, we're going to install Windows 11 Explorer Styler. Click on details and install it. Click on settings, and for the theme section, select Minimal Explorer 11, or you can use Translucent Explorer 11. Click on save. Now search for resources redirect. Click on details and install it as well. Now extract this icon pack. And cut this folder, go to C drive and paste it here. Then right click on it and click on copy as path. Then click on settings and paste it here. And remove this quotation mark. Click on save. As you can see, some icon has not changed yet. To fix this, open Task Manager and search for Windows 11 Explorer and right click on it and click on restart. As you can see, some folder has been changed and some has not changed yet. To fix this, right click on this script, click on run as administrator, then click on run and click on yes. Now open Windhawk again and search for translucent windows. Click on details and install it. And for the start menu, you have to install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on Explorer and install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on details and install it. And then copy this Start Menu Styler script. Click on Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. And for the taskbar, install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on Install and install it. Then copy this Taskbar Styler script. Click on Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. And install taskbar height and icon size. Install it. Click on settings for the icon size. And right click on this start menu and click on start settings. Click on folders and turn off And then click on Explorer again and search for Explorer. Click on Details and install it. And then click on File Explorer, Win UI like content animation, and install it as well. And for the desktop customization, you have to download Rainmeter. Click on Open, click on OK, and install it. Click on Finish. And here is some default skins. Just right click on it and unload these skins. And then double click on this skin and click on Install. And if you want to remove these steps, just go to Control Panel and click on Uninstall a program. And in here you can remove Windhawk and Rainmeter as well. So it will remove the rest of the stuff. Okay, now let me show you the resources uses. Click on Task Manager and Windhawk. As you can see, it doesn't consume much RAM or CPU. And let me show you the Rainmeter as well. Custom. And this is it. This is how you can customize your entire Windows 11. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.